I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, greetings family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm known to talk about generational wealth, making money online, and business credit. Okay, and look here, I want to actually give you all an update on Bitcoin. So today is, let's see, November 16th. All right, it is actually 6:14 p.m. Central, and now I'm looking at the charts here. Bitcoin is roughly around $16,750. Okay. Now, with that being said, what does that mean? So, Bitcoin in comparison to USD, all right, is that much, all right, right now for one Bitcoin. And before I even move forward with how that works, I want to explain this. One Bitcoin is always going to be one Bitcoin. However, the relationship of value to other currencies, it changes. Okay, so the same way back in the day you may have been able to go get like a candy bar for a nickel, and today you can't get that for a nickel. You gotta actually use a dollar. The dollar is always going to be a dollar, but the relation to everything else and inflation may change, but it'll be the same dollar bill you would have had from whenever to now. You know what I'm saying? So Bitcoin is in the digital realm, but that's just what we're dealing with nowadays. So let me get back to it. So about $16,750. I seen an actual, let me pull up. I seen an article today on Yahoo Finance from CoinBase saying Citibank analyst says Bitcoin could pass 300K by December 2021. Now, Citibank, okay, Citibank, they deal with what? Credit cards and different things like that, all right? So very interesting. And this is not saying that this is going to happen for a fact, but this is on people that do finance every day. This is what they're projecting. Okay. Because Bitcoin has reached 20K before, and it's probably going up to touch that 20K sometime soon. The way the market works though, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. So I'm not telling you, I don't know when it's going to happen, but it is likely that it's going to go up and touch that 20K. All right. So my thing is, there was a point in time where it was like $1, right? Even earlier this month, it had, not this month, my bad. Earlier this year, it had came down and tested out between $3,000 and $4,000. So imagine buying something at $3,000, $4,000, all right? And then now it's worth 16. You can cash out. Now you can do some plays with that, or you can keep it. You can do whatever you want to do with it. You could even buy $300 worth of Bitcoin, because you don't have to buy the whole thing at one time. Now, my point is that like we in this digital age. My thing is, don't be scared of it. Now, I understand people may not be acclimated to it, but I get it. But this ain't the all be all. You know what I mean? You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. I get it. You can still go out and get gold, get silver. You go out and grow your own food. You can go out and be a part of a private community if you wanted to, and y'all can exchange services however you want to do it. But if you playing this game over here, you just need to pay attention to what all these other places are doing. Okay, so financial technologies, fintechs, or let me just break it down, apps. Okay, what is Cash App to you? All right, it's probably one of the biggest peer-to-peer money apps that we have over here. Okay. And they allow you to what? Use your USD to actually acquire some Bitcoin. Now, from there, you actually got PayPal. PayPal is actually getting in to Bitcoin now. So imagine that. All right, you got banks and with that are looking for programmers with Visa cards. You know, you got COINBASE coming out with a crypto type of card. You got Binance already has a card. Okay, you got Crypto.com, which card that I use. By the way, they're no longer doing $50 referrals. They're doing $25 referrals. But I showed you how to go stake and go get that $25. Also, go get, depending on which one you get Netflix and Spotify for free. Okay, and those incentives don't tend to stay around long, and those price points actually tend to change on things like that. So if you want to go do that, then just be mindful of that. All right, I was looking at an app called Webull. All right, so if you're into stocks, all right, you're into stocks. If you're not into stocks, there's simple apps like Robinhood that you can get acclimated with. I like Doe. Doe is very user friendly. It's kind of in between Robinhood and Webull. And then I actually like Webull. You know, the more you actually start, you know, getting more deeper into stocks and stuff, you know, you get into Ameritrade and some other things like that. I'm not really heavy on stocks. I do a little bit of forex trading and foreign exchange market. You can actually trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stuff like that as well. So these are all major platforms. All right, let's just take a minute to just think about it. Cash App, you're familiar with that. PayPal, you're familiar with that. Okay, great. Now, stock market, you may not be familiar with it, but you know that a lot of these companies and people with money or whatever, you know, there's something about it that kind of keeps this thing going around. So if I can actually trade crypto the same way I can trade stocks, now you say, okay, it has to have some type of relevance in today's market. It just makes sense to me. If I go look up on coinmarketcap.com and I see the top 100 cryptocurrencies and I see USDC, and when I read USDC, I realize that it's backed by Federal Reserve notes. Okay, so these type of things actually matter and make sense to me. You know, especially seeing developers, you know, with the Visa cards and everything like that. You can even, for your business, all right, accept Bitcoin payments, all right? There is, I know BitPay allows you to actually set up a business account with them in order for you to be able to receive Bitcoin, you know, as far as payments for your products or services. All right. So these are some things that you might want to look into that just may benefit you from getting ready. Like I say, this may not be the all be all, but if you can get something that's projected to be worth 300K by 2021, meaning if you don't have none, and that's just say for instance, that's the dominant form of currency that we're using in the world, and you don't have any and they're not making any more of it, then at that point you just out of luck. But I'm not saying, I'm not going to say that's what's going to be, or this is the all be all. Who knows what's really going to happen? I'm just telling you what's happening right now and what these people are doing. So once again, I'm not your fiduciary. I'm just a brother out here sharing my insight, and hopefully some of this information resonates with you. All right. So I just keep it simple. Cash App you can get Bitcoin on Cash App. All right. This ain't no fluke. And people look at it as an investment. Okay, that's cool. Keep in mind that it is a currency. The same way you know, USD and this and that, it's a currency. All right. So if you want to look at an investment, you want to trade it, that's your business, whatever you want to do, just keep in mind it is a currency. And if you got an online business or something like that, just go check out BitPay if you want to go do that. Okay. Now, with that being said, you know, you already know I'm talking about business credit on a day-to-day basis because that's what my audience usually want to talk about. But I had to come here and let y'all know about this crypto. I got a business credit course for those of you all who interested and want to get more connected with me with a private Facebook group as well once you actually get inside of that course. Okay. But anyway, the link below for that. But more importantly, pay attention to everything that's going on. You know what I'm saying? So with the crypto.com, will be a link below for that. And I actually put links if you want to check out Webull, if you want to check out BitPay and things like that. So just get hip to it, man. You know, stay in tune. You know, see what come up on the news, Yahoo in the finance section and stuff like that, and see what these players are doing. Okay. And for those of you all who trade, it looks that like Tesla is going to be joining the S&P 500, or, you know, I just say SPX. So with that being said, that could be big for them, because if y'all know how those markets move, and if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. We'll probably get to that at another time. But anyway, you're too smart to be broke. Tap in with me. Y'all go get that business credit course and get in that Facebook group, because I'm ready to build with y'all. I see y'all soon. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the